BESTOPE Blackhead Remover Pimple Comedone Extractor Tool Best Acne Removal Kit Treatment for blemish whitehead popping zits removing for risk-free nose face skin with metal case multifunctional. These practical beauty tools help to remove blackheads, acne, and various blemishes easily. A diagram provided which let you can know clearly the usage of each tool. Anti-allergic design. The professional electroplated needle and stainless steel antibacterial coating won't cause sensitivity issues, helps minimize risk of infection. Our pimple extractor kit can work on all types of skin. Precaution. Correct usage makes things easy. We don't suggest use any blackhead remover before the acne matured, and please wipe all tools with rubbing alcohol before and after each use, and follow the instructions. Ergonomic handle. This blackhead extractor uses anti-slip handle design help you better control the pressure during use, ensuring every step can be done with exceptional control and precision to avoid damage to the skin. Unique packaging. Our included tin carrying case keeps tools safe, clean, and conveniently packed for transport or storage. Note: BESTOPE Comedone kits include a 12-month quality assurance. More BESTOPE Blackhead Remover Pimple Comedone Extractor Tool Best Acne Removal Kit Treatment for blemish whitehead popping zits removing for risk-free nose face skin with metal case. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.